Deputy Director of Health in the Bono East region is urging the public to regularly check their BP following the increasing number of hypertensive cases recorded over the past year. In an interview with Anas Sabit's Dr. Alina Agozo notes that the region recorded a total of 21,790 cases in 2021, an increase of more than 3,000 cases as recorded in 2020. She describes the situation as alarming. More in this report as we mark the World Hypertension Day today.
High blood pressure is called silent killer not without a reason. Most often, there are no noticeable signs of hypertension, and even if you have symptoms, you may immediately act upon it, dismissing it as routine tiredness or work pressure. With over 1.1 billion people suffering from hypertension across the globe, we take a look at the situation across the Bono East region. Mrs. Helena Gozo is the Deputy Director Clinical Care at the Regional Health Directorate.
Currently, hypertension is one of the very difficult situations in the region. In fact, as a country at large, but the region also, we are having a lot of numbers as we speak. I can refer and see in 2020, we had a total of 18,293 cases for the region at large. But 2021, we have 21,790 cases. I must say that these are only the reported cases. You and I know that a lot of people don't come to the hospital. So these are just a few of the people that we have.
She recounts how people go about walking around with the ailment without giving attention to it, and adds that the older age groups are more prone to hypertension as compared to the younger ones.
It's a very difficult issue. And people are walking about with high blood pressure without knowing it, because the disease does not present any symptom. You know, you think you are fine. You're just walking about probably with a few headaches here and there, and then they think they are okay, never goes to check. When it comes to age groups, I must say that it affects all age groups, from age 1 to the highest you can think of. But the higher or the older you get, the more prone you become to hypertension. So it means that older people are getting the disease more than the younger ages.
Mrs. Helena Gozo was, however, quick to caution the public against certain lifestyles and eating habits that leads to hypertension.
Hypertension is even more common in the urban areas like Techiman, Kintampo, Kranza, and so on, because we are leading a very stressful life. You are in a hurry, you need a lot of money, so you are doing so many things at the same time without going to check whether everything is all right with you or not. So these are some of the things. We don't do exercises, people drink, people smoke a lot, all these things are causes. And the way we eat, some of our eating habits are also a problem.
As the world marked the World Hypertension Day today, Mrs. Helena Gozo called on the people to regularly visit the various wellness clinics around to have their BPs checked as a means of aiding in its early detection and treatment.
It's becoming a canker. It's becoming a very big problem in our society. And so the earlier and also going for screenings, just walk to any facility. Now, all our facilities, we are trying to introduce what we call the wellness clinic. That means that you can always walk to any hospital and have your BP checked, so that early detection is the key. Once it's caught early, then we can quickly take measures to help you with life change modifications, and then if you need medication, you start taking the medication.
Anas Sabit, Joy News, Kintampo.